Shocking stat alert! Did you know that a staggering 70% of people wish they could unlock the secret to earning more money without needing any special experience? Well, get ready because today, I'm about to blow your mind with some game-changing strategies. Buckle up, my friends, because in this video, we're going to explore the thrilling world of generating income online without any prior experience. That's right, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a business mogul to start raking in those digital dollars. So today I'll take you to the easiest ways to generate income online with no experience. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Let's be real. The idea of making money online without any experience can seem like a daunting task. You might be thinking, but I don't have any special skills or qualifications. Or where do I even begin? And let's not forget the fear of getting scammed or falling for those too good to be true schemes. Trust me, I get it. The online world can be a jungle filled with misleading promises and shady characters trying to sell you the next get-rich-quick scheme. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to navigate through that jungle and uncover the legitimate, tried and true methods that real people are using to generate income from the comfort of their couches. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle, the opportunities we'll explore today are accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. No fancy degrees or certifications required. Alright, let's dive into the juicy details of how you can start raking in that digital cash without any prior experience. I'm talking about opportunities that are so easy, even a tech-challenged grandma can do them. And trust me, if grandma can figure it out, you've got this in the bag. First up, we have the wonderful world of freelancing. Think of it like the online version of a temp agency, but way cooler and with way more flexibility. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are essentially giant marketplaces where businesses and individuals post gigs or projects they need help with. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert in anything. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design whiz, or just someone who's really good at data entry, there's a freelance gig out there just for you. You can start small with simple tasks like proofreading, virtual assistants, or even rating products or services. It's the perfect way to dip your toes into the freelancing waters without any prior experience required. But wait, there's more! Affiliate marketing is another fantastic option for those looking to make some serious dough online. Now you might be thinking, affiliate marketing? Isn't that just a fancy word for spamming people with links? Well, my friend, you couldn't be more wrong. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson, but without the annoying door-to-door hassle. Essentially, you promote other companies' products or services on your website, social media, or even just sharing a special link. And every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a sweet commission. It's like getting a kickback for introducing your friends to the latest and greatest products. And the best part? You don't need any inventory or even your own product. You're simply leveraging the power of existing brands and products that people already love. Plus, with the rise of influencer marketing, affiliate gigs are becoming more lucrative than ever. If those aren't really your thing, how about we talk about something even more simple? Online surveys. I know, it might sound too good to be true, but hear me out. Companies are constantly conducting market research, and they need real people's opinions to make informed decisions. And guess what? They're willing to pay for those opinions. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars connect you with companies looking for feedback on everything from new products to advertising campaigns. All you have to do is share your honest thoughts, and you can earn cash, gift cards, or even prize entries just for your valuable input. It's like getting paid to be a couch critic, except instead of rating movies, you're rating products and services. And the best part? No experience necessary. Just be yourself and let those opinions flow. But wait, there's more. I know I'm sounding like an infomercial host right now, but trust me, it's worth it. Another easy way to generate income online is through micro-tasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These websites essentially break down larger projects into tiny bite-sized tasks that anyone can complete for a small fee. We're talking about things like data entry, transcription, image tagging, or even just watching videos and providing feedback. It might not seem like much, but those small tasks can really add up, especially if you're someone who likes to multitask while binge-watching your favorite shows. And let's not forget about the world of online tutoring and teaching. With platforms like Chegg, Varsity Tutors, and OutSchool, you can share your knowledge and expertise with students from all around the world without ever leaving your living room. Whether you're a whiz at calculus, a grammar guru, or just someone who's really good at explaining complex topics in a simple way, there's a tutoring gig out there just for you. And the best part? No fancy teaching degree required. Just a passion for helping others learn and a reliable internet connection. Now, if you're ready to take things to the next level and unlock the ultimate method for generating income online with zero experience, listen up. This one's a game changer. The key insight here is to leverage the power of social media and content creation. I'm talking about platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even good old blogging. By creating valuable content and building an engaged audience, you can monetize your online presence in some seriously lucrative ways. Think about it. Brands are always on the hunt for influencers and content creators to help promote their products or services. And the best part? You don't need millions of followers to get started. Even with a modest audience, you can land sponsorship deals, get paid for product reviews or endorsements, and even earn a cut of the revenue from ads on your content. But here's the real kicker. You can start this side hustle with absolutely zero prior experience in content creation or social media marketing. All you need is a smartphone, a willingness to learn, and a passion for creating content around your interests and hobbies. Whether you're into gaming, fitness, cooking, or even just sharing your unique life experiences, there's an audience out there waiting to be entertained, informed, or inspired by your content. And as you grow your following to hone your skills, the earning potential is practically limitless. So, we've explored a plethora of accessible opportunities that allow anyone to generate income online without any prior experience. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to online surveys and micro-tasking, the options are endless and within reach for anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Also, most importantly, share your own experiences, thoughts, or questions in the comments section below. Let's start a conversation and support each other on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Well, that's basically the easiest ways to generate income online with no experience. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.